Good morning, everybody. We're going to go over Bitcoin today and talk to you guys about what I'm doing with my $267,000 here. This is actually an update of pretty much exactly every dollar that I have in crypto right now. And so we're going to go over a few things. We're going to be going over the Bitcoin Emotional Index, see what traders are feeling this morning, the volatility breakout, the whale smart money. You guys want to see that. Probably most important support and resistance levels you guys will probably need all week. Long and short trades, and then a daily trade scanner. So let's get into this. By the way, guys, good news for everybody who's part of our membership. We just ended up winning 2 more trades. So we're actually at, this is pretty awesome, 24 wins and 0 losses for the year. So congratulations to everybody who's trading with us. There's links in the description to snag a membership. We call out trade calls all the time. There are personal opinions. They're not financial advice, but they're personal opinions of where we think the market's going to go. And 24 wins and 0 losses. Pretty sweet. And we just scalped the markets. So let's get in now to talking about where we think Bitcoin's going to go. Everyone's looking at this, and this is going to be a massive, massive week for everyone. This week, I have already done the numbers for myself. If we come down to structure low, which is basically just a structure low of what's called a symmetrical triangle pattern, down to 25,750, I will be losing about $8,000 in my portfolio. But if we come up to the structure high here, you can see at the top of this level, this is about 28,500, and the count will actually grow in profit $20,132, and I don't think it's unreasonable to see this by Friday. So about $20,132 by Friday and 24 cents. So let's talk about the likelihood of that and why we could be moving up here or moving back down. I think that's what everybody's trying to figure out here. So I've got the top and bottom finder on the chart here. I've got price versus while money flow to see what whales are doing, and then we've got trend exhaustion. So let's give ourselves a little bit of barriers. I like to think of crypto kind of like a lion, and let's cage the lion in here a little bit to kind of give ourselves an idea of where we could be heading. This ascending support line on the symmetrical triangle pattern forms perfectly with the low here. So overall, we're in an ascending channel. Now, is an ascending channel bullish or bearish? An ascending channel is bearish by nature. If you come out here and you draw any type of ascending channel like this, usually you will see in crypto that it breaks to the downside. So let's just keep that in mind. What I'm seeing right now with whale money flow, okay, price versus whale money flow. You guys have links to these indicators in the description. If you guys want to snag them, put them on your charts. We have discounts going on for you. The price is in pink. The whale money flow is in green, okay? What I sometimes like to do is I like to come out here and just keep the green on, but the reason why it's very important to kind of look at the pink sometimes is this. If you see price action, I'm going to zoom in here for you guys. If you see price action kind of hovering around the same price, which we see consolidation right up here, and you start seeing whale money flow head out of the market during that same time, it means that money is not actually following what's happening with price structure. And so when I see that, this is what we call in trading, which is called divergence. And so when I see that, we usually expect really nice drops back down in the market. Right now what's happening is that we have the price as well as the whale money flow pinned together, which means we have indecision in the market, which then correlates to a massive move coming, and it's because you're going to get long squeezes and short squeezes in the market very soon. The trend exhaustion, however, is more prone for a move back up, meaning that the structure of crypto, this move down here, has a higher likelihood, a higher probability of heading up here than it does continuing to move back down really far, because the exhaustion of the trend, when we talk about trends, we're talking about here's an uptrend, here's a downtrend right here, and here's an uptrend right here. This downtrend that we're currently in is getting close to being fully exhausted, which is what we see usually in the bottom section here. And when we do look at these areas, we usually start seeing moves back up in the market where we can see the jump up here and we can see the consolidation period here, the move back up as well as we see right there. We saw the massive move back up and then so on and so forth. You guys can, pinpoint this over in the past here. We use these indicators to call our scalping trades, and that's why we are so successful. There are going to be moments, I want to just point this out here very clearly. You are going to get some moves up, but you know what? I say this conservatively, we are about 85% accurate on all of our indicators for calling moves. And it pays off because we really are 24 wins and 0 losses. So giving you guys evidence here. This is what you guys need to start using to increase your odds of trading. So right now, if we take all the data just from this, we're going to go over metrics in a second. It looks as though a stall or a slight move down, not a big crash, a slight move back down here, and then a move back up is likely. But let's go over the metrics I was talking to you guys about. So go to tradeconfident.io. You guys can snag a membership over here and join it along with me. All of our wins are going to be updated on the front page, just FYI, 24 wins, 0 losses. The emotional index this morning for Bitcoin is showing us that traders are in a neutral section, okay? They're not like, oh my gosh, we're going to the moon. The moon boys are not out right now. They're not. That would be greedy and excited. The price action is in white here. When we do start coming down, let's play this out. Let's say this week we get a massive crash in the market. We come down to that low point I showed you guys and I lose $8,000 in my account. We go down to the anxious or the fearful. This is where you actually need to start being pretty positive about the moves back up, because you can just see from historical data over here, when the market is actually very anxious and fearful, this is when the market turns around. Guys, I'm telling you, the big whales and institutions have to work based off your fear and your greed, because you as a retail trader watching this video right now, you are creating the liquidity for the big boys out there to place their trades, okay? Let's continue down here. Volatility breakout detector. So we are jumping the gun there a little bit. We are a tad bit above our low volatility line. And when the green line comes down below the white dotted line, this is when we are in what's called low volatility, and this is when you get the biggest breakouts coming in crypto. It's because low volatility means that you have fast moves to the upside or the downside, because you get long squeezes and short squeezes. So we are very close to this low volatility reading here, where we're going to see big moves this week, and we can tell that with this. Now, what are whale smart money doing for Bitcoin? We can see over here that they're not taking very strong positions right now. And I find this very interesting because it correlates to the indecision of retail traders as well. We can see the sentiment changing back and forth here, flipping from long sentiment, which is long trades, and short trades for whale smart money. Now, when they come out here and they really push long trade sentiment, it's the bottoms of cryptos, and that's when the market's going to go back up, because the money, let me say this a different way. The price action of Bitcoin is going to follow the influx of large transactions, what we call whale smart money, okay? When they come out here and you see this metric every morning, you come out and you see a crazy negative, 1,200 metric reading over here for short trade sentiment, guys, it's probably the top of crypto, and you're going to see some big moves back down. So here's what you need to prepare yourself for. As this market either breaks to the downside or goes to the upside here, you're either going to want to look to take some profit on your long trades, or you're going to maybe want to look to get back into the market to dollar cost average before the market heads up going into the halving event. So here's what you need to watch for. I want everybody to watch for the values of 800 to 1,000 for exiting long trades, and everybody look at negative 800 to negative 1,000, or even if we go further than that, to look to maybe get back into the market. I can't tell you to do that because I'm not a financial advisor, but look guys, it's been time and time again. You come out here and you see whales continually coming in here with, let me go the other way. Long trade sentiment up here. Long trade sentiment, this is when they're buying the dips. This is when they're selling. Like if you look at just when this metric value is really low down here, it's where we get stalls and where we get drops in the market very fast. The only precursor I can tell you guys that you really had over here was smart money coming into the market for this jump up right there. And then we got a sell signal perfectly on the top and bottom finder. Watch these metrics, guys. If you are feeling like you're trading and someone's behind the charts trading against you, it's because you're trading emotionally and you're not trading with smart money. Get the metrics on your side, guys. It's helped us so much in all of our trading. Let's take a look at this. If we move down, it's going to be 25,800. That's just it. We got to watch the support level very closely. And if we do move back up, we actually have a really strong resistance at 31,000, which will push the account actually into about $40,000 worth of profit if we hit up here. I am going to be more conservative and say we probably have a target by the end of Friday to reach this level here, which is going to be about $20,000 of profit. But watch these supports and resistances. These are dynamic, so every morning, if you see a red line, it means the price is below that. And if you see a green line, it means the price is above that, okay? Supports in green and resistances in red. Now, long and short trades on Bitcoin. This has been holding steady, and this is a good thing. You don't want to see a lot of movement over here on Bitfinex, because if you do see that, you need to kind of be prepared for some big moves. I like that we're not doing anything. You look at this metric that we have on, let's say, Cardano or SHIB or Doge, it is extremely active, and you can actually see when long trades are taking over and the correlation to price action. So I'm not going to go over that today, but look on the front of the website. We have these metrics here for 20 different coins. So watch this every morning. Okay, top and bottom finder, and we'll get back to the charts here in a second. Really good calls here. So we got a buy signal here, we got a buy signal here, and we got a strong buy here. If you guys are looking at dollar cost average into the market, get the top and bottom finder. I'm going to take this, I'm going to move us over here now. If you're looking to get into trades here, use the top and bottom finder and use these 3 principles I'm going to teach you guys. I'm giving you so much in this video. You want to be successful, you want to win trades like we're doing, 24 wins, 0 losses. Let me teach this to you guys real quick. It's 3 rules you need to follow. We are looking for the top and bottom finder to give us a buy signal Do this on any time frame. It doesn't matter what time frame you do. I recommend the 4 hour and 1 day because that's just the most successful we've been. Buy signal, you are looking for well money flow to be low. You want well money flow to be moving out of the market or either heading into the market. Just make sure it's low. And then trend exhaustion in the bottom red section here is ideally what you want. You are literally just watching for that over and over and over again. Buy signal, trend exhaustion low, and you're looking for well money flow to be heading out of the market because they eventually buy once they're done selling. If you guys can just pair this up and just play 1, 2, 3. It's just a game of 1, 2, 3, guys. 1, you've got 2, and you've got 3. You've got 20 cryptos and a bunch of different time frames to use. This is how we're scalping the markets, and this is how we're getting good entries. So let me cover this real quick. All the indicators you guys need to time these markets is under the indicators tab in the description, and I pinned it to the first comment of this video. Snag the bundle pack. It's 82% off. Okay, trend exhaustion, price per sell money flow, and 7 other indicators. When you guys check out with this, we are automatically going to give you a $400 coupon code off the top and bottom finder. So snag the top and bottom finder with the bundle pack, and it'll actually be cheaper to get the bundle pack and the top and bottom finder than buying this by itself. We really do have, we're pushing over 4,000 downloads on all of our products, and we have crazy good testimonials over here you guys can look at for yourself. So I know I'm doing a lot of talk in this video about tools. It is about the tools. If you guys want to make money, I'm showing you guys how we're doing it, and I'm giving you guys our secrets away. So watch that. Based off all this, I say we have a higher probability of a smaller drop and a move back up than a fast drop in the market. Because a lot of people are going to watch this and be like, okay, what's the conclusion of all these data and all these indicators? I'm telling you guys, we have actually... I wasn't planning on doing this. Let me show you guys something we're working on in the background. We can actually see the percentage likelihood of a pump or a drop in the market. I'm getting ahead of myself a little bit here, but I will talk about this more to our members tomorrow and such. I can see the 1 day, the 4 hour, the 2 hour, and 1 hour probability of long trades and short trades in the market. We have a 75% chance we move up in the market on the daily time frame. We have a 66% chance we move up on the 4 hour, 91% chance on the 2 hour. By the way, if you guys are scalping, write these notes down. And then on the 2 hour, and then the 1 hour, we have a 68%. Now, we still have yet on the daily time frame, this is why I'm telling you guys it's not going to be just a quick shot up right now. We still have a room to move down the daily time frame where we can go down into the long trade favor section, which is in the green here. So once we dip down there and we get to about 85% probability of move up, watch for the move back up in crypto. I'll be showing this to you guys with a membership, so make sure you guys are watching that. This indicator is not available to anybody, not even our members or anyone on TradingView, and I'm going to show this to you guys tomorrow in what we call our future forecast, so make sure you guys stay tuned for that. You just need a membership for that. Go over to tradeconfident.io, go to the homepage. There's going to be a subscribe button up here to the right, and be honest with you guys, it's $59 a month. That's all we're charging is $59 a month. You get all the scalping trades that we call out. You can see all of them over here, and then I'm going to be doing a future forecast for you guys tomorrow, showing you guys how my trades are going for Riot. I'm going to show you guys this indicator as well to help you guys get into really good scalping trades. I'll show you guys what this is literally showing you on the daily, the 4 hour, 1 hour, and 2 hour, so you guys can see stuff that nobody else on TradingView is seeing. In crypto, we have a probability percentage indicator here that literally predicts moves back up in the market, and it's based off of the trend exhaustion, which is the most accurate indicator to call the bottoms and tops here for an oscillator in crypto. It is amazing, guys. Okay, I know I'm talking a lot. Get the tools in the description. I'll keep you guys updated on YouTube here, but get into the membership because tomorrow I'm going to talk to you guys about this in the future forecast. Links to everything you saw in this video to be successful trading, guys, is in that description, and I pinned it to the comment. Have an amazing day. God bless you guys. We'll see what happens with this market, but I'm not worried here. I think a little bit of a move down is probable, and then we can probably see a move back up here, but I'll keep you updated. Have a good one, guys. I'll see you later. Bye-bye.